Ever wondered how volcanoes unleash their fiery fury? Let's break it down together. Now more on the Now You Know channel. Deep beneath the Earth's crust, there's a bubbling cauldron of molten rock called magma. When pressure builds up, this magma looks for the weakest spot to escape. Imagine a balloon being filled with water. As more and more water is added, it gets tighter and tighter until, pop, it bursts. That's just like a volcano. If you're still watching, please subscribe, like, and comment to know more. Let's continue. When the pressure becomes too much, magma shoots up through cracks in the Earth's crust, creating a fiery spectacle of ash, gas, and lava. This explosive combo blasts out of the volcano's vent, turning magma into lava that flows down the mountainside. And that, my friends, is how volcanoes erupt. Pretty cool, huh? Next time you see a volcano, you'll know the powerful forces at play beneath the surface. Stay curious and know more on the Now You Know channel.